Hey guys, this is Rishabh and you are watching me on ELECTRO Wizard. So today we are unboxing MIA1, which is a Xiaomi product. Yeah, I know that it's quite late to upload this video, but anyways, let's get started. So here we have MIA1 in the box. The phone is light in weight. Let's put it aside and see what's inside the box. And behind the box we have a screen guard with a microfiber cloth, and here we have a SIM tray ejection pin, and here in the box we have a data cable which is USB to USB type C. Travel adapter which is of 5 volt and 2 amps. And some paperwork. Nothing special in it. And that's it. We don't get earphone. And now it's time to boot the phone for the first time. But first, let's remove the screen protection covering. And now it becomes very messy, so we should make some space for the phone. So till it boots up, I'll give you the quick overview of its specifications. Number 1. Qualcomm Snapdragon 625 octa-core processor with a base clock speed of 2 GHz. Number 2. It has a 4 GB RAM. Number 3. It has a IPS LCD display of 5.5 inches with a screen resolution of 1920 to 1080p. Number 4. It has a Adreno 506 GPU. Number 5. 64 GB storage. Number 6. It has a battery of 3080 mAh. Number 7. With the current update, it's running on Oreo. Number 8. You got a Gorilla Glass protection with 2.5D curved glass. Number 9. It has a dual lens setup of both 12 megapixel camera and a front camera of 5 megapixel. So every phone has its pros and cons, and here are some pros and cons of this phone. Number 1. It has a dual lens setup which let you click portrait shots. First lens is Telephoto Lens with 2x zoom and other one is monochrome lens. Number 2. Since it is a collaboration between MI and Google, so you always get an update earlier than anyone else. Currently it has Oreo. Number 3. Qualcomm Snapdragon 625, which is the latest and most powerful mobile processor. Number 4. Universal USB type C connector, which has 24 pins in it, among which 20 pins are used to transmit data, which means you got more pins to transmit data. Number 5. You got a stock Android experience. Number 6. You got Gorilla Glass 3 protection. Number 7. It has a good amplifier, especially for 3.5 jack. Now comes to cons of this phone. No OIS or EIS, which means if you record a video in a shaky condition, the video will not be stable. Number 2. No dedicated micro SD card slot, which means you got one nano SIM slot and one hybrid slot on which you can either place your SIM or memory card. Number 3. No fast charging. Number 4. It has a very low battery. It has a battery of 3080 mAh. So all I can say that if you are looking for a phone in a budget segment with good camera quality, better performance, good audio quality with a stock Android experience, then MIA1 is the phone for you. And I have been using this phone for more than 2 weeks and its battery can easily last 1.5 days. Even if you are a heavy user and play lots of games, the battery can easily last for a 1 day. And with its powerful GPU at Reno 506 and 4GB RAM, you can play lots of games at ultra high settings with no lag in it. And you can tell us about your opinions about this phone, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to watch more such videos, press the subscribe button.